All right, here we are. A torque of 38 kips. So we know that T, torque, is equal to 38 kip inch. And we are also given that G of this aluminum shaft is equal, oh, it doesn't look like a G. G is equal to 3.7 times 10 to the 6th PSI. Okay, it says assuming the solid shaft has been replaced by a hollow shaft of the same outer diameter but has a 1-inch diameter, determine the angle of twist. So, to determine the angle of twist, what's the equation for that? The equation is, yes, angle of twist is equal to TL over JG. We know G, we know L, we know T. So we're trying to find J. J for a hollow shaft is equal to pi over 2 C2 to the 4th minus C1 to the 4th. So J in this case, let's see, J in this case is going to be equal to pi over 2. C2 is going to be the outer, and C1 is going to be the inner. So it's going to be 1.5 to the 4th minus, let's see, 0.5 to the 4th. Right? If the big diameter is equal to 3, then big R is going to be 1.5. Little diameter is equal to 1. Little r is going to be equal to 0.5. So with this, our j is going to be, let's see, pi over 2 times, let's see, 1.5 to the 4th minus 1 to the 4th, or sorry, 0.5 to the 4th. I'm getting j is equal to 7.85. So now we do this and we plug everything in. T is 38. L is 4. 7.85. And G is 3.7. Then this should give us at least the right number. And of course, we'd have to make everything times 10 to the whatever it's going to call for to be, well, it's an angle. But still, we need to have this be right. So this is going to be times 10 to the negative 6th, e to the 6th. This one's going to be nothing, that's fine. This one's going to be e to the 3rd, and this one's fine. So here we're going to have 38, goodness me, 38 e to the 3rd times 4. And then we're going to have our 7.8539, and that's fine. And then we're going to have 3.7 e to the 6th. So our angle is, mine's not quite right. This is in feet. This is inches, that's feet. Sorry, this is 4 times 12. Okay. 0.0627 rad. Remember that this is going to be in radians at first. And to convert that, we're going to multiply that by 180 over pi. So multiply 180 and then pi. and I'm getting an angle of 3.596, or just 3.59. But yes, here it is in degrees.